This is an example of an A-plus trade in ES futures. This was at the New York Open. Note the red highlighted zone. This was a heavy resistance zone that corresponded with the first 15-minute opening range and a high volume zone from the order profile and a bearish trend line that was on the 15-minute chart. 4 points of confluence. That's excellent. Either this area was going to be broken through and the bulls would take over, or it would keep resisting and the bears would take over. Either way, the volume was good, and I wanted to see if price would continue to resist or if it would pop on through. It continued to resist, so I set a limit order. I quickly moved my profit targets as I was seeing the volume delta get more bearish. I set my first target at an area that price had already bounced off of and left it there to get some good profit so I could manage my last contract for potentially better gains. You'll notice that I moved my stop loss frequently to protect my position. Note that I have sped up my recording so as to save time making this video. My first two contracts were quickly hit, locking in some good profit and giving me the breathing room I wanted for managing my runner. Then I moved my profit target to a zone that was high volume from the order profile. There was a heavy support zone right below the daily pivot point that I was watching. If price broke below this, then I would bring my stop loss down also. Price ended up breaking below this zone, so I continued to move my stop loss and my profit target down. At this point, price was well below my zones and my 89 EMA, so I moved my stop loss down, protecting $488 of profit. My profit target was now at S1, and that was where I wanted to leave it, so mainly because I was unsure if I could hope for more than that. Price continued bearish, so I just kept moving my stop loss down and protecting my profit. Basically now just a matter of letting this thing run and see where it ends up going. Price continues to break down, and I continue moving my stop loss down. I'm at the 200 SMA right now. Looks like we're going to break that next zone possibly and potentially hit full profit. It's about to hit full profit right there. And it did. Ended up grossing $3,237.50 on this trade. It was a very good A+ setup. Please message with questions or comments, and please subscribe.